Donald Trump arrested and charged with business fraud. This is News Review from BBC Learning English. I'm Neil.
And I'm Beth. Make sure you watch to the end to learn vocabulary to talk about this story.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and try the quiz on our website. Now, the story.
Donald Trump has become the first ex-US president to be arrested and charged with criminal offences. He's accused of business fraud connected to money paid to an adult film actress shortly before he won the presidential election in 2016. The case comes as he campaigns to be president again in the 2024 election. Trump pleaded not guilty when he appeared in court on Tuesday.
You've been looking at the headlines, Beth. What's the vocabulary?
We have mugshot, unfolded, and rails against.
This is News Review from BBC Learning English. Let's have a look at our first headline.
This is from The Telegraph. Donald Trump campaign releases mugshot t-shirt.
So Donald Trump's campaign team have released a mugshot t-shirt. Mugshot is a word we've heard and seen a lot of in the last few days. Is it connected to this mug?
Well, that is a mug, Neil, but the mug in mugshot is actually a different word. It means face. Now, the second part of that word is shot, and shot is another word for photo.
Okay, so simple then. A mugshot is a photo of someone's face. Or is there more to it?
There is more. So a mugshot is a particular photo that the police take when somebody is arrested. Now, we should say that Trump didn't actually have a mugshot taken, but t-shirts with a mugshot of him have appeared anyway.
One last important point. We've said the word mug means face. So can I say, she has such a pretty mug?
No. Mug does mean face, but it's only used in a negative way, and it's actually quite often used with the adjective ugly, an ugly mug.
Okay, so be careful with that. Let's look at that again. Let's look at our next headline.
This is from the Times of India. Surrender, arrest, and then a rally. How the day unfolded for former US President Donald Trump.
So this headline describes the events of the day when Donald Trump was arrested. The word we're looking at is unfolded. Can you tell us about it, Beth?
Yeah, well, let me demonstrate the literal meaning of unfolded. This is my script. It's folded, so I can't read it. I can't see what's inside. I don't know the detail. But if I unfold it, then I can see what it says. Now, that's literal, but in the headline, it's metaphorical.
It is metaphorical in the headline, but the meaning is the same as in your literal example. So we can say that events unfolded. It means we didn't know what would happen at first, but as the day developed, things became clearer.
Yes, and as you said, we often use unfolded with events and story. Neil, have you seen the TV series The Crown?
I have seen it, yes. I thought it was a bit boring at first, but as the story unfolded, things became clearer. I really started enjoying it. Let's look at that again. Let's look at our next headline.
This is from The Hill. Trump rails against charges in post-arraignment speech at Mar-a-Lago.
So this headline is about the speech that Donald Trump made after his arraignment. Now, arraignment is a legal word that describes the process of being arrested, charged, appearing in court and pleading guilty or not guilty. But the vocabulary we're looking at is rails against. There is a familiar looking and sounding word in there, rails. But this is not about trains, is it?
No, it's not. So if you rail against something, then you complain about it very angrily. And this is not just the anger that you feel if the bus is late, it's real anger.
Yeah, that's right. Well, you might rail against the bus company if it's late every day and it makes you late for work every day and you get in trouble because of it. You will feel very angry and have a kind of long complaint. And that's what it means to rail against something.
Yeah, and take note because we can also say rail at. So rail at or rail against something. And a similar word is rant. Now, again, that means to talk or shout angrily about something that you really dislike.
Okay, let's look at that again. We've had mugshot. Photo of a person's face taken by the police when they're arrested.
Unfolded, became clear as it developed.
And rails against, complains angrily.
And if you want to learn more vocabulary with a Trump-related story, then click here now.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video.
Thanks for joining us. Bye.
Bye.